Hello, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be doing an unbagging. So this is from AliExpress. This actually got to me really quickly. Like, it got to me in 20 days. And this is from Qluo on AliExpress. I think they have their own independent website, but I got these from AliExpress, so I did get 4 of them just so that I could get to whatever my free, or you get to those coupons. So the reason I bought from them is because I wanted to try out a mystery diamond painting. Ooh, so actually each of these diamond paintings cost me about $4.51. So even though it looks like these ones are smaller, my mystery diamond painting looks bigger, they all cost about the same. So yeah, some of them were $4.51 and some of them were $4.52. At least at the time I bought them. So yeah, here is the mystery diamond painting. I actually bought 2 of them, one in round and one in square, just because I wanted to try it out. Because yeah, I'm not sure if I'll like doing a mystery diamond painting just because it looks like it'll be harder since there's no colors, but hopefully the symbols will be nice and easy to read. So yeah, I think this must be my round one just because there are round guide circles. But yeah, no, this is a mystery. I'm actually looking at it and I really am. Like, I've seen some people unbox mystery diamond painting and it was very obvious what it was. And I'm looking at this and I'm like, I don't know. So it does look like it's like a quarter of a centimeter off of 30 and by 39. So it's a centimeter off on one side. So yeah, I don't know. Can I tell what it is? I don't know. This one, I've seen, like I said, I've seen people unbox mystery diamond paintings and it was very obvious what it was. This one, I don't know. I really can't tell what it is. So I think that's good then. This will make doing this fun. I'm guessing since the legend is this way, maybe it's a landscape picture. But yeah, I don't know. Maybe there's something smiling here, so it might, I don't know. Might be a cat. Maybe I should put it down a little bit more. Yeah, I don't know. So, yeah, this might be a mystery. I'm actually glad because, yeah, mystery diamond paintings where it was very obvious what it is not really a mystery, right? So it looks like it's just a very typical diamond painting toolkit. It does have DMC numbers. There are 22 colors on this one. And ooh, I really like the packaging on this where it's huge. You can see the the item number on there. So these are rounds. They're kind of muted colors, so I don't know. But yeah, mystery. So yeah, this cost me $4.51. So I'm actually planning to do one of the mystery diamond paintings, a start to finish time-lapse video, so I'm not sure when I'll do it, but if you see my kitting up video, that means I'm doing it soon. But yeah, no, I'm happy that it really does look like a mystery. All right. So my second mystery diamond painting is a square one. What was funny is I wanted to buy, so the reason I bought more was just because I wanted to get to a certain coupon code, So I think I needed to get to like $19 to get like $2 off or something stupid like that. So then I wanted to buy 4 mystery diamond paintings, but for some reason when you put in a quantity of 2, you ended up having to pay for shipping because it was free shipping otherwise. Oh man, it's kind of stuck on the canvas, so it's not well closed there. But yeah, this is my square mystery diamond painting, same. So yeah, these are squares. It does look like I don't know, this might be a snow scenery with all this white. I don't know, we'll see. Okay. But yeah. Okay. It does look like it's another landscape. Yeah, I think I could tell what this is. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see on screen. It's very glary. Where is... I could kind of tell what this will probably be. Unlike the round one, I think I can tell. I don't know. Can you see things there? Yeah, now see this one. I think it, yeah. See, there's two figures here. There's like another figure here. But yeah, I could kind of tell what this will be. I'm not sure how well it will shows on the screen. Is there too much glare? Maybe turn off one of my lights. But yeah, can you tell? Can you tell what it is? But yeah. So let me turn on my light again. Maybe the other one could tell better without the light. No, I still can't tell. Can you tell what my other mystery diamond painting is? Yeah, no, I still can't tell what the other one is. But this one, I'm pretty sure I could see what it looks like. That doesn't have all the detail, but I think I get the gist of what it is. So let me turn on my light again. But yeah, these are my square ones. Oh yeah, so I said I tried to buy 4 mystery diamond paintings, but for some reason when you add 2 to your cart, you end up having to pay for shipping. When if you just bought 1 and 1 square and 1 round, you didn't. So I'm wondering if the extra pay is just so that they could make sure that they send you 2 different kinds of diamond painting. I don't know. All I know is they say they supposedly have like, I think there was like 20 different diamond paintings. So yeah, no, I think you could tell what some of the things are in this picture. So yeah, oh, did I measure it? So I don't know if I'm gonna enjoy doing a mystery diamond painting. It might be a lot harder. So this is 39.5 by 29.5. So yeah, I think it'll be much harder. The drill field, at least, you know, you don't have that problem where, you know, for a mystery diamond painting, they do end up shading. Like they're not all white backgrounds. There are a couple gray. So I think that's why this one's easier to see. Wow. I don't know, does my round one, does it just seem like it's all the same color? No, this one they kind of do have a gradient also, but yeah, I don't know. I just still see kind of a smile here. So I think it might be a cat with a smile. I don't know. But yeah, this one, yeah, you can tell what they are. But yeah, not this. So I will, like I said, I think I want to try to do these maybe on a start to finish time lapse. We'll see. But yeah, look out for it. Okay, so I did just order 2 more just so that I could get to my coupon, because that's how I seem to roll. But yeah, here is my next one. It is this lovely Mickey picture. You know what's funny is I was looking through my stash and I realized I actually have like no Disney pictures yet, unless Winnie the Pooh is a Disney. No, I don't think Winnie the Pooh is Disney, but yeah, here is this really cute Mickey picture. I think I primarily got this one because I like the colors. I'm a very big fan of diamond painting colors that you like. Ooh, this one looks like there's a piece of canvas stuck on this. Okay, so quality control of these ones, not the greatest, but they were cheap and it's fixable, so I'm not freaking out about that. I think it's fixable. Hopefully it's fixable. Will I be able to take this one off? Okay. Quality control, not the best, but you know, they're cheap. So you can't what's it called? Compare quality on these cheap diamond paintings to more expensive places. So as long as you realize that, you won't be disappointed. So yeah. It's nice and sticky. I don't tend to like to do that, but nice and sticky. Looks like there's 21 colors. The key is massive, which is nice. The canvas is actually really thin, but it's nice because it stays flat. So yeah, it does look like these are the drills. I can't see 6212. There are 21 colors. It looks like it's mostly letters and numbers, so that'll be easy to do. There are no DMC numbers, which is the reason I tend not to buy from like fan sales and things like that, is because of the whole like DMC number thing, because I'm one of those ones who do keep all my drills, so it kind of a little bit annoys me when they don't have DMC numbers. So this is 25 by 35, so that's what I was expecting. It does say it's a 30 by 40, but most of the time these ones tend to be canvas size and not drill size. So yeah, here's the next one. Not as entertaining as my mystery ones, but you know, this will be fun to do also. And then I got one last one just so that I could get to the, what do you call that? My coupon code thing. So this one is a Peacock. All right, so the reason I got this one is because they said it was rhinestones, and I was hoping it really was true. So yeah, these ones are gonna be a full rhinestone. I was hoping they had more full rhinestones on their store on AliExpress, but I couldn't find anything else. But I will link this below. There were a couple more images in the same listing, but I didn't really like any of them. So yeah, here it is. It's a peacock. It doesn't look like it'll be that clear, but I mean, it's a peacock, right? It's not, it shouldn't be, you could tell it's a peacock, right? And I think I've been getting really into these full rhinestone ones, so I just wanted to find another full rhinestone. So, and I do like the colors. I'm a big fan of diamond painting based off of colors and not necessarily the image, because I enjoy the actual diamond painting process. I do like the image, but I do enjoy the diamond painting process. So when I'm diamond painting, what's it called? An image that has colors that I like, it's more enjoyable. So yeah, I think these ones even have black rhinestones. So, ooh, and they're all in baggies. I will do all my inventory off camera. I hope it's not in order, because this one's only at 20 and they're supposed to be 23 colors, but I do like how it's very clear on these bags what they look like. So yeah, here it is. There's 23 colors. This does have some symbols, and it's not just all letters, but there's not that many colors, so it shouldn't be that hard to do. So yeah, this one is 24 by 34. So But yeah, I think I'm more excited about the fact that it's full rhinestones. Look at that. Look at how pretty they are. I think I'm getting onto the rhinestone bandwagon. So yeah, here is the last one. So yeah, they all came with just like this standard toolkit. But yeah, there's that one. Here is my Mickey one. Here is my square mystery diamond painting, which I'm pretty sure is another Disney. And here's my mystery round, which really does seem mysterious to me. So, all right. Thank you for watching and happy diamond painting. Bye.